Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Xbox and confirming a stable network. This prevents playback hiccups. Once signed in, make sure the console is updated so the YouTube app runs smoothly. Next, open the Microsoft Store and search YouTube. Install it now. While it downloads, get your Google account email and password handy because you'll need to link the app. This early setup ensures you avoid interruptions and makes the next steps faster and more seamless. Now open the YouTube app on your Xbox and select Sign In. You'll often see a TV code displayed. Use that. Once you have the code, go to YouTube. .com/activate on your phone or computer and enter it. This links your account without typing long passwords on the console. After linking, return to the app and sign in fully to sync subscriptions and watch later. Make sure you set default playback quality and captions in settings so videos play as you prefer. Finally, browse with your controller or cast from the YouTube mobile app using the cast icon to play on the Xbox instantly. For the best experience, enable higher quality only when on Ethernet. Wireless can drop frames. If playback stutters, quit and relaunch the app, and if that fails, reboot the console. As a key troubleshooting tip, reauthorize your account at YouTube. .com/activate to fix sign-in errors. This refreshes the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.